Okay, let's have a revision on the trick-code. Okay, so first of all, you have to remember the definition of the sine, cosine, and also tangent theta. So there are lots of different ways to remember, and this is my method. Okay, this is my method. So I will consider a right angle triangle here. I let this one be y, this one be x, this one be r, this one is theta. OK， 咁tangent theta 啦。OK， 我會記得呢個 t 字。OK，so I will write the t here。OK， 咁我就會記得 t 咧係由呢兩條邊去寫嗰個 tangent theta 嘅。OK， 咁邊個擺分子邊個擺分母咧，我就會記得 x 咧 ，x 佢 carry 住個 x 呢條線咧 carry 住個 theta 又 carry 住個90 degree， 咁佢比較重啲，咁所以咧我就 x 擺下邊啦 ，y 喺上邊嘅 ，OK，and then cosine theta。咁cosine theta 又點做咧？咁cosine theta 我就記得個 c 字啦，咁 c 字咧我就會夾住嗰個 theta 位，咁咧就呢兩條邊咧就會係 theta 嘅 ，OK。咁邊條線擺分子，邊條線擺分母咧？咁就係掂唔到90度嗰條線咧，就係擺分母嘅。因為掂唔到90度嘅呢一條線咧 ，OK， 佢成條線掂唔到90度咧，咁佢咧係 hypotenuse 嚟嘅，佢係斜邊，咁我咧就會將佢擺喺分母，咁跟住咧剩翻嗰條咧 x 咧就會擺分子啦。And then finally，OK，sine theta， 咁 sine theta 係點做咧？咁 sine theta 咧就會係剩翻嗰兩條啦，咁剩翻嗰兩條咁即係呢兩條啦。咁於是咧，我就同樣地咧，即係掂唔到90度嗰個咧係擺分母 ，OK。咁y 咧就擺分子 ，OK。So first of all, you have to remember the definition of the sine, cosine, and also tangent theta, OK. And there are three methods, OK. You can remember this slogan, OK. Or you can remember like me, okay, use my method, or you can remember by using this slogan, okay, so it's up to you. So the second thing that you have to remember is about the special angle, okay, the answer of the special angle. But usually I will not remember this, okay. 通常我都唔記嘅。咁如果佢考到咁點咧 ？Okay, usually I will use the calculator to help me. Okay, use the calculator to help me. 咁我雖然唔知道tangent theta 係let's say tangent 30。我如果唔知道係幾多嘅話，咁點做啊？咁我咪撳 calculator 咯。咁個數字好核突嘅 ，OK。咁我 square 咗佢。咁如果我 square 咗佢嘅話咧，我撳到係1/3嘅話，咁如果我冇 square 到係幾多咧？咁咪即係開方1/3咯。So would be 1/square root 3。咁我咧就rationalize 個答案咪會等於 square root 3/3咯。OK， 咁呢個咧就係我由細到大嘅做法嚟嘅，咁我就唔會去背嗰個 table 嘅。OK， 咁第二樣嘢你要記嘅咧就係 either table 啦，或者你係用 calculator 去撳啲 special angle 出嚟。Okay, and then the third thing that you have to remember is how to use your calculator. Okay, so for this one, okay, this one is given the theta, 俾咗 theta 嚟 and then the question asks you to find out, for example, B/C, okay, or ask you the ratio, okay, then it's very easy, you just press your calculator to get the answer. And then another one is that given, okay, the theta is 50 and also given one side for you, and then you have to find out the remaining side, okay, then you have to do a little bit change of subject first. You have to put the c to the left hand side first, okay, so it would be c equals to 4/cosine 50, and then you press the calculator. Okay, this one is the same. Okay, you have to put the 4 to the left hand divided by 4. You have to put it to the left hand side first, and then you press the calculator. Okay, and then for the last one, okay, for the last one, 最尾一個咧就係given the sine for you, and then ask you to find the theta. So how to do this one? You just throw the cosine to the right hand side. Okay, so you press the calculator will be shift cosine. Okay, this one will be the inverse of cosine, and then 4/5, and then you will get the answer. So this is the third point that you have to know how to use the calculator. And then number 4, you have to remember the formula. Okay, so just 2 reminders for you. For the first one, do remember this one, you have the square. If it is sine theta plus cosine theta, it is not equals to 1. Okay, so this is the first thing that I want to remind you. The second thing that I want to remind you is how to use or when to use formula C to E. Okay, so for example, if the question is like this, sine theta times cosine 90 degree minus theta, very obvious, then you should know to use the formula. Okay. And then another kind of question that you need to use formula C to E is like this. When you see, okay, the theta is not the same. Okay, you can see that theta 1, and then this one is 89. So whenever you see the thetas is not the same here, so in this case, then you should know, okay, to use the formula C to E. So after we have a revision on the junior form trickle, okay, so let's move on to the senior form trickle. So this is the first thing that you have to remember, okay, this box. Okay, you have to remember the definition of the sine, cosine, and also tangent theta, and also you have to know how to draw the graph. Okay, so so after you remember this, then you can do the questions. Okay, so there are 2 types of questions. The first type is given the graph, and then you have to write down the sine, cosine, and also the tangent theta. So I think this one should be easy for you. Okay, you have to draw the right angle triangle, and then you know that the x is -3. Okay, so x is -3, and then y here, okay, y here is 4. Okay, y is 4, and then r is very obvious, is 5. You use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 3 square plus 4 square, and then you take the square root, so you will get 5. And then if the question asks you to find out sine, cosine, and also tangent theta, then you can just base on this one. Okay, so it is very obvious. Okay， 呢條係比較簡單啲，俾一幅圖你，叫你寫翻 sine、cosine、tangent 嘅theta 啦。咁有兩樣嘢咧，你要去 check 一 check 嘅，即係正負號你可以 check 一 check 啦。OK， 咁check 一 check 嘅方法咧，咁我會 suggest 你咧去記得呢兩樣嘢啦。OK， 呢兩樣嘢你要記一記嘅。咁譬如果喺左上角嘅嗰個 -3/4 呢個 point 咧係喺左上角，咁其實咧你如果記得 ASTC 的話咧，咁你咧就會睇到係 S 啦 ，S 嘅意思即係淨係得 sine 係 positive 嘅啫，咁即係其他咧會係 negative 嘅，咁即係話咧你亦都可以 for 你個 answer checking， 你可以 check 一 check 你個答案有冇錯，呢個係最 simple 嘅，就俾一幅圖你，然後叫你寫翻 sine、cosine and also tangent theta。And then another type of question is that given you the tangent theta, and then the question asks you to find out the sine theta and also the cosine theta. So first of all, you have to remember, okay, again ASTC. 咁tangent theta 佢俾咗你咧係3啦，3係 positive number 嚟嘅，咁所以咧你如果畫圖的話咧，咁嗰幅圖咧即係有機會佢會喺右上角啦 ，ASTC 嘅 A 啦，即係 all 啦。All positive。咁case 1，OK， 咁跟住咧就係第二個 case 啦。第二個 case 咧就會係左下角都係 T 字 ，T 字嘅話 tangent 都係 positive 嘅，咁就即係淨係得 tangent positive，其餘嗰啲會係 negative 咯。OK， 咁跟住咧你就要去睇一睇啦。咁右上角嘅特性係咩？右上角嘅特性咧就係 x 係 case 1。咁佢係喺 quadrant 1嗰度啦。咁呢個位右上角係有咩特性嘅？就係佢個 x 咧係positive 嘅，咁佢個 y 咧亦都係 positive 嘅。 咁咧佢個 R 咧就係 always positive，所以都係 positive 咯。Okay, so if you draw the graph, it would be like this. Okay, so tangent theta is equals to y over x. Y over x. Tangent theta 咧係 y over x 咯。咁即係意味住啲咩咧？咁即係意味住咧就係y would be equals to 3, x would be equals to 1, 3除1啦。So which means that this one is 3, this one is 1. Okay, so if you use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get this one is square root 10. Okay, so you know that r, x and y are all positive. Okay, so this is case 1. Then after you know x, you know y, you know r, then you can write down sine theta and cosine theta, okay, based on this definition. So this is the case 1. And then case 2. Case 2 would be in the quadrant 3. So it may be like this. Okay, so case 2. Okay, the characteristic would be x is negative, y is negative. Okay, 左下角啊嘛，咁啊即係呢邊係負啦。Okay， 下邊亦都係一樣係負啦，所以係 x negative, y negative. R will be always positive. Okay, so in this case would be y equals to negative 3, x equals to negative 1. 咁負3除負1嘅話咧，其實都可以得到 positive 3嘅。Okay, so in this case you will know that this point would be negative 1, negative 3. So if you draw the right angle triangle, so very obvious, this one would be negative 1. Okay, and then this one would be negative 3. Okay, so once again, you take the Pythagoras theorem, you know that this one is square root 10 嘅 R 係不變啦。咁啊，因為都係 positive， 永遠係 positive 嘅 R。Okay, so in this case, then after you know x, you know y, you know r, then you can again based on the definition here, then you can write down the cosine theta and also sine theta. So this is the first type of question. Okay, so let's move on to some advanced level question. Okay, so just now tangent theta equals to 3. You can see that there are two cases. Okay, maybe in different quadrant. Okay， 有機會係喺唔同嘅位置啦，有機會係 quadrant 1， 有機會係 quadrant 3。咁同樣地咧 ，sin cosine 都有同樣嘅情況嘅。如果我俾咗你咧係 sin 係 positive 嘅話，咁即係咧有機會佢喺呢個位啦，有機會佢喺呢個位。如果我話俾你聽咧，sin theta 係一個 negative number 嘅話咧，咁有機會咧佢係喺呢個位或者喺呢個位。咁你發現咧佢係喺左右嘅 ，OK 左右嘅。咁如果 cosine 嘅話，咁又點咧？咁 cosine 都係一樣啦。如果你睇到佢係 positive， 即係我 given 咗係 positive 嘅話咧，咁佢有機會係喺呢兩個位啦。咁如果咧係 cosine 係 negative 嘅話咧，咁亦都有機會咧係喺呢個位啦，或者係呢個位嘅。咁啊，你發現咧佢個特性咧就會係上下。OK， 咁啊 ，that's why 咧你可以個記法咧就會變成咗咁樣嘅。OK， 咁就 sin 咧就會係左右啦。咁啊，而 cosine 咧就係記上下。咁啊 ，tangent 咧頭先前面嗰條 example 已經講咗啦，咁就係對面啦。OK， 咁跟住咧第二樣嘢你要記翻起咧，就係喺Form 3嘅時候，頭先嗰紮 formula 咧就係第二樣嘢要記，就係 sin 咧就會轉 cosine 會轉 sin， 同埋 tangent 會轉1 over tangent 呢一樣嘢嘅。OK， 咁啊要記呢兩樣嘢，咁啊記咗呢兩樣嘢之後咧，咁你就可以去 solve 一啲嘅 equations 嘅。OK， 咁啊so let's do some examples. Okay, so for question 1, so first of all, you can see that this one is 90 degree plus theta. So as I mentioned before, in junior form, you know that you have to do this part first. Okay. 咁我哋睇翻幅圖啦，咁啊你見到咧係0度啦，或者係360度嘅時候咧就係不轉嘅，咁跟住咧去到90度嘅時候咧就要轉啦，180度咧就唔轉啦，270度就要轉啦，翻嚟360度咧就唔轉嘅。Okay, so now you can see that this one is 90 degree plus theta. Okay, 90. So 90 is here. So in this case, that means you have to change. So you can change it to cosine. But you have to check whether it is positive or negative. Okay. So to check whether it is positive or negative, you have two methods. Okay. 第一個方法咧就係撳 Theta， 咁你啊當 Theta 咧係你當 Theta 1度咁樣啦，咁你撳下 Theta 咧，你就撳下 Sine 91度，咁你就睇下呢個係一個 positive number 定係一個 negative number。咁如果你撳到 OK Sine 91度係一個 positive number 喎，咁你咧就會知道咧如果 cosine Theta 咧，咁佢都係一個 positive number， 咁你就唔需要轉 Sine 啦。OK， 咁第二個方法咧就係記 ASTC 啦。咁你發現咧90度加少少，咁即係邊度？90度加少少即係91度，咁91度係邊度啊？咁91度咧其實就係 quadrant 2嘅。So as you can see that the quadrant 2 is S. S stands for what? That means the sine theta is positive. So in this case, you also know that sine theta is sine 91 or 90 plus theta is positive. So that means you do not have to change the sign. Okay. So for the rest, you just copy. Okay. For the rest, you just copy. So it would be 4 sine theta minus 5 cosine theta equals to 0. And then a very useful skills is that you divide the whole equations. Okay, divide the whole equations. Cosine theta. So which will give you, okay, if you divide the cosine theta, so sine theta over cosine theta would be tangent theta. You use the formula, and then cosine theta divided by cosine theta would be cancel out, would be 1, so be equals to 0. 咁你咧就將一條 equation 咧又有 sine theta 又有 cosine theta 咧，就將佢變成係咧淨係得一個 unknown 就係 tangent theta。Okay, so and then the rest would be easy. You just throw everything you don't want to the right hand side. So it would be tangent theta equals to 5 over 4. And then you can press the calculator to get the answer would be 51.3 degree. Okay, but it is not the same as what you do in junior form. Okay, the problem is that theta is no longer between 0 and 90 degree. It is between 0 and 360 degree. Okay, 咁如果佢個 range 大咗，咁即係咩意思咧？咁我哋就睇翻嚟呢一度 tangent theta。咁你會發現咧就係tangent theta 等於一個 positive 嘅數字。Okay, tangent theta 等於一個 positive 嘅數字。咁你記得前面嗰條 example 咧就係佢有兩個 case 會有兩個答案，佢有機會咧係喺 quadrant 1或者係 quadrant 3嘅，咁即係話個 theta 咧亦都有機會咧係有兩個數字。OK， 咁佢第二個數字係乜嘢咧？咁我哋就要 base on 嗰幅圖啦。So here, this one is 51.3 degree. OK， 咁記得 tangent theta 咧係打對面啦，咁即係代表佢係 quadrant 1啦，或者有機會係 quadrant 3，咁即係佢係喺呢一個位 51.3 degree。OK， 咁check 下呢一個係幾多度啦？咁就係180啦，嚟到呢度係180，咁180咧就再加多51.3。OK， so you will have the second answer would be 231.3 degree. Okay, so this is example 1. So this is another example. Okay, so once again, you have to focus on this part. Okay, so 180. So if you look at the graph, 180 is here. Okay, that means you don't have to change, so you can keep sine. And then second, okay, to see whether it is positive or negative, of course you can substitute theta equals to 1. Okay, press your calculator, sine 1x1. Is it equals to a positive number or a negative number? Okay, or you can remember, okay, this figure. Okay, so 180 plus something plus some value. Okay, so would be somewhere here. Okay, so this one belongs to t. Okay, belongs to t. So which means that sine is a negative. Okay, sine is a negative. So either you remember this graph, or you can use a calculator to help you to check whether it is positive or negative, so you know that this one is negative. And then you have to check another one. Okay, would be here. So once again, cosine, okay, cosine 180 minus theta. So cosine again, 180 is somewhere here. So which means that you can keep, okay, cosine. And then second, okay, you have to check, okay, 180 minus theta, 180度減少少，咁即係邊度咧 ？OK， 180度減少少咧，其實應該會係 cosine 2嘅。OK， 你當係179咁樣啦。OK， 咁啊179，咁你見到係 S 字頭嘅 ，S 字頭嘅意思即係 only sine theta is positive，so which means that cosine, okay, here should be negative. So once again, you have to add back the negative. Or you can use your calculator to check. And then for the rest, you just copy. Okay, so you simplify the question. So here would be 3 sine theta. Okay, negative, negative, you have positive. Negative, negative, once again you have positive. Okay, so how to do the next part? Okay, so you can see that here you have the sine, here you have the sine. So I will factorize it. Okay, so two numbers multiplied together would get 0. 兩個數字相乘，呢兩個數字相乘會得出0。咁即係 imply 咩咧？即係 imply 咧 either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. Okay, just like x plus 1 times x minus 2 equals to 0, which you can claim that x plus 1 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, 兩個數字相乘係等於0咧，咁個可能性咧就係一係前面個 factor 係0咯，一係咧就後面個 factor 係0，因為0乘一個數字 ，OK 都會等於0。OK， 只有其中一個 factor 係0咧，先至會等於0嘅啫。OK，so you can base on this definition, then you can draw draw this one, and then theta would be equals to, okay, so if you press the calculator you will get 0. Okay,咁once again 0, okay, 0 would be flip into the left, okay, flip to the left, so would be this side, so would be 180. OK， 360 究竟要唔要咧？呢個位咧係可以係0度，亦都可以係360度嘅。咁但係咧，基於咧呢一個位咧就寫咗咧x 咧係唔會呢個應該係 theta 先啱。OK， 見到咧 theta 咧係 smaller than 360， 唔包360，咁所以咧就唔使寫360啦。OK， or cosine theta equals to negative 3 over 2. So here, if you press the calculator, it is math error. Okay, it is because cosine theta must be between -1 and 1. So in this case, you can see that this one should be no solution. You should reject this one. So the answer should be 0 and 180. Okay, so the last type of questions is related to graph. Okay, so usually I will remember this, but it is again not necessary. Okay, 你唔記都得嘅，即係你唔知道係由0開始定由1開始，其實你 撳 Delta 你撳 Sine 0度同 Cosine 0度，咁其實你就會知道個 starting point 係由邊度開始啦。OK， 咁 attention Theta 就冇辦法啦，你點都要記一記嘅。OK， 有機會考嘅兩款題目咧，第一款題目咧就其實你就算唔記幅圖，你都會計到嘅。咁就係呢一款嘅題目，就係俾咗條個 graph 你啦，然後咧佢就問你嗰條 equation 係乜嘢。咁喺呢個題目裏面咧，其實你可以 observe 下個 graph 啦。OK，so you can see that this point is 0, 0. So which means that when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. And then if you observe this point is when x equals to 180, y equals to 2. And then if you observe this point, x would be equals to 360, and then y would be equals to 0. 咁其實佢俾咗3個 point 你，咁呢3個 point 咧，其實你代晒落去 A、B、C、D、E 4個 choice 裏面，你睇下邊個啱咧，其實就得噶啦。咁你發現咧，你代咧條 equation 落去啦，咁我哋代0，你代0咧，發現個第一條式咧係啱嘅，但係咧你代第二個 point 咧 x 係180度落去咧，咁你就發現咧係唔得喎，因為 right hand side 咧你撳 Delta 啦 ，sin 180除2啦，即係 sin 90度啦，你撳到個答案係1嘅，咁但係咧就 left hand side 咧就話俾你聽呢度係2啊嘛。咁即係代表 A 係唔啱咯，即係你代第二個 point 落去，你發現唔啱。咁其他全部答案都係咁樣 similar，OK， 都係咁樣做嘅，即係逐個代入去，咁你就會發現咧，E would be the answer。咁逐個代入去做 testing。Another type of question is to find the maximum and minimum, okay, of equation, okay. So first of all, you have to focus on this one. Okay, so sine 2 theta. If you observe the graph, you know that sine theta can only be between 1 and -1. Okay, can only be between 1 and -1. So this one within 1 and -1. And then if the question asks you to find out the maximum or minimum point, so very easy way, again, you can use substitution. Okay, you can either substitute -1, sub 0, and also sub 1, and then you check which one is maximum and minimum. So if I substitute 0, so this one is equals to 1. If I substitute -1, so you will get 3. And then if I substitute 1, then you will get 3/5. So this one would be the maximum. This one would be the minimum. So this videos covers most of the questions, okay, in the DSE. So I hope that it can help you. Okay.